Student, how are you? Welcome in my class. Today we are going to discuss question based on the relation between AM and GM. A very good question or the mains examination. What is the question? If alpha belonging to 0 to pi by 2, then root x square plus x plus 10 square alpha upon root x square plus x is always greater than and equal to. These four answer is given. So ये क्वेश्चन AM and GM के रिलेशन पे बेस्ड है. AM and GM के रिलेशन पे बेस्ड है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो इनको अगर इन दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो ये कैंसिल है. If you multiply these two numbers, then we get these two are cancelled. We get only 10 square, and the sum of the number is also given. So we know that a relation between AM and GM. What is the relation between AM and GM? AM is always greater than equal to GM. Arithmetic mean of two number is always greater than equal to geometric mean of two number. It means we get two number a plus b by 2 is always greater than equal to root ab. If we take two numbers a and b, then a plus b by 2 is always greater than equal to root ab. So our given expression is, हमारा एक्सप्रेशन आपका है रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 10 स्क्वायर अल्फा अपॉन रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. द एक्सप्रेशन इज मेड बाय द टू टर्म. So let us here consider a is equal to root x square plus x and b is equal to 10 square alpha upon root x square plus x. Now we apply the property. We apply the property AM is greater than GM. So we substitute these two values here. So we get AB is root x square plus x and B क्या है आपका प्लस 10 स्क्वायर अल्फा अपॉन रूट x square plus x and whole things is divided by 2 is greater than equal to root the value of A is root x square plus x into AB is 10 square alpha upon root x square plus x. Okay student, what you see here, this is easily cancelled out. Now here we have, हमारे पास क्या बचा है, x square plus x in root plus 10 square alpha upon root 10 square alpha upon root x square plus x and whole things is divided by 2 is greater than equal to root 10 square alpha. Now we cross multiply this. So root x square plus x plus 10 square alpha upon root x square plus x is greater than equal to 2 root 10 square. 2 root 10 square. And root 10 square alpha is mod 10 alpha. Root 10 square alpha means we know that if any quantity in root, what is the meaning of this meaning of root x? So this is your mod 10 alpha. This is your mod 10 alpha. And the mod is, it means this is positive tan alpha and negative tan alpha. But our value of alpha is between 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 tan is always positive. 0 to pi by 2 tan is always positive. So student, we have root x square plus x plus tan square alpha upon root x square plus x is greater than equal to 2 mod tan. Why we use mod tan alpha? The meaning of root x square is mod x, the modular function, and modular function is positive and negative both. But here we take only positive value. Why we take positive value? हम positive value को क्यों लेंगे? क्योंकि हमारा अल्फा 0 to pi by 2 में है और 0 to pi by 2 में tan अल्फा हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. That's why we take only positive value. So this is x square plus x plus tan square alpha upon root x square plus x is greater than equal to 2. So इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू आइदर 2 tan अल्फा होगी या उससे बड़ी होगी. तो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू? What is the minimum value is 2 tan alpha. The question is always greater than and equal to 2 tan alpha because एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू यहां से स्टार्ट होके बढ़ती चली जाए. So what is our final answer? Answer A is correct. The minimum value is 2 tan alpha. So note this very good. Question is the minimum value of the sum of real numbers. These real numbers is given and we are going to find the minimum of the sum of all given real numbers. It means we are going to find the minimum value of sum of all these numbers. It means a to power 5 plus a to power 4 plus 3a to power minus 3 plus 1 plus a to power 8 plus a to power. ओके, तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे इसकी मिनिमम? बाय अप्लाई द मैक्सिमम मिनिमा, बाय द डिफरेंशिएशन? नो, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एपी एंड जीएम, एएम एंड जीएम, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एएम एंड जीएम, बिकॉज सम इज AM and product in GM. So we know that what is the concept of AM and GM? We know that AM is always greater than equal to GM. So let us apply the concept. AM is always greater than equal to GM. So here we add all these two numbers, a to power 5 plus a to power minus 4. We write 3a to power minus 3 times. So this is your a to power minus 3 plus a to power minus 3 plus a to power minus 3. We write this 3 times. Now here is plus 1 and here is plus 8 and here is plus 4. So what is the AM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? By 8. There are 8 numbers. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. So AM of these number is 8. Here we know that the AM of A1, A2, A3 up to AM is A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN upon M. We apply this formula. And what is the GM? So GM is A1 into A2 dot 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 AN to power 1 by n. This is your GM. So we find this is the AM of these numbers. Now we find the GM. What is the GM? So GM of these number is a to power minus 5 into a to power 4 into a to power minus 3 into a to power minus 3 into a to power minus 3 into 1 into a to power 8 into a to power 10. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So this is 1 by 8. This is your GM. We apply this formula of GM. Now we solve this. So a to power 5 minus 4 9 minus 3 12 and minus 6 18. So this is a to power minus 18 and here is a to power plus 18 power 1 by 8. Now here we get a to power 0 to power 1 by 8. It means this is 1. So GM is 1. Now we apply the concept. So AM is greater than equal to 0. So these number is AM of these number is a to power minus 5 plus a to power minus 4. This is plus 3 times a to power minus 3 plus 1 plus a to power 8 plus a to power 10 upon 8 and GM we get 1. Now the cross multiply this. So this is a to power minus 5 plus a to power minus 4 plus 3a to power minus 3 plus 1 plus a to power 8. This is a to power 10. Plus a to power 10 is greater than equal to 8. So the sum of these number is always greater than equal to 8. So what is the minimum value? So minimum value is is 8. So this question of maximum minima is based on the relation between AM and GM. With the help of AM and GM, we can also find the maximum and minimum value, and this is a very good concept to solve those questions who are given in sum and product of those